Arrive in style with this 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck upgrade. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: MP3 player, heated mirrors, passenger vanity mirror, rear head airbag, child safety locks, engine immobilizer, and split bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.